Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive 2.5 inch, unlatch the side cover and slide the cover off the system. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Lift the assembly out of the system. Unlatch the hard drive from the assembly to fully remove it from the system. To reinstall the hard drive 2.5 inch, relatch it to the assembly. Place the assembly back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch the side cover to the device. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.